Welcome to Fresh Process. Today I will take you into the magical world of brown ginger root processing and unique zesty ginger ale products.
The journey begins in sun-drenched tropical fields where dedicated farmers nurture delicate brown ginger root plants. Colossal harvesters unearth this spicy treasure, which is swiftly transported to our state-of-the-art facility. Here, precision cleaning and processing transform the roots. Industrial machines extract the vibrant golden liquid for our refreshing, zesty ginger ale, and cook the root with sugar for our delicious, spicy ginger candies. The finished products are then shipped globally, destined for huge U.S. supermarkets and the comfort of homes, inspiring culinary masterpieces and happy savoring. Welcome to the industrial ASMR world of brown ginger root.
All right, easy now. Keep it coming straight back. A little more. Okay, hold it right there. We are good.
Morning. Here's the paperwork. Thanks.
Looks
The key is a low temperature. We are gently coaxing the flavor out of the ginger, not deep frying it.
I'm proud to present this array of ginger root dishes. We've utilised the freshest ingredients to bring out the vibrant flavour in every bite.
Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. Just these few things.
Too fresh process?
The ginger ale is amazing.
Cheers.
I'm so excited to share this fresh processed spicy ginger candy with you. It's the perfect blend.
This is delicious.
I'm so glad we decided to do all ginger tonight.
Me too. Everything is absolutely delicious.
This ginger glaze is absolutely incredible. I've never tasted anything quite like it. And the stir fry, honestly, it's perfection. We have to get the recipe.
Remember when we tried to grow our own ginger and it took over the garden? I am still finding roots by the driveway.
Incredible. I am stuffed.
Me too. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next time.